Okay, we did a dry fit of one of the back airbags, and it appears to be like it's gonna fit. So when we took the strut out, it was under compression, obviously. So instead of going to buy a floor jack, he's decided to use the weight of the Subaru to compress the spring, and so now he's putting a zillion zip ties around the spring to hold it, and we're going to see if it's going to work.
Redneck spring compressor.
It would have been easier just to go get a floor jack. It would have been a little too dangerous to use that little jack, so we're going to see if it's going to work.